the bond between the Fulanis and Tiv and the Doma, every other ethnic nationalities, the Lagos, the Agatus. When you say the Agatu here, some people are thinking that the Agatu in Benue. It is not Agatu in Benue. We have Agatu in Nasarawa State too. So, you know, boundaries are meant for administrative convenience. It is not meant to divide the people. For instance, the Agatu in Nasarawa State, how can you separate them from the Agatu in Benue State? So boundaries are meant for administrative convenience, and I think our people must understand this and allow peace to prevail. You know? So, for here in Benue, we do not have any problems with Fulanis. Fulanis are in my government. We work with them. Fulanis, we have lived together. And even as a child growing up in Boko, we drank nono, we added fora to it, and it was Fulanis women. That's what I'm coming at. And of course, when you leave us with meat, when we eat it, it is now that when they eat it, you begin to complain. Otherwise, before you were not complaining. This is the crux of the matter. You know? Because before, when you left us and we ate the meat, you never... This one was not a matter of stealing. It was a matter of brother eating what the brother has. You know, so, but Magana and Sataba. Magana Muchine. So, we have lived together, we live peacefully and everywhere. Back home, when my father retired and we have to go home in Goma local government, we lived peacefully with Fulani men. When there were crises, we came and resolved it. But the problem is you have allowed your brothers, just like we have brothers in Cameroon and Southern Africa, to leave their country and come and take over here. They are the one creating problem. We don't have any problem with the Fulanis, who are indigenous, who have stayed there and we have lived together. But you agree with me, and the president too did acknowledge this. These Fulanis creating problem and bringing AK-47 are from Mali, they are from Niger, they are from Senegal, they are from Chad, they are from Cameroon, they are from Ghana, where they were sent packing, and they decided to come and take over this place. So coming, okay, look for a peaceful way of settling down. They say no, they will drive the people who are there. What believe there? This is the conflict we have. So even our law prohibiting open grazing is meant to be a win-win for farmers and herders. Win-win in the sense that the farmers can do their work peacefully without being harassed by herdsmen. Herdsmen, if they ranch their cattle, it will be the responsibility of government to provide security. In the law, it is captured and with very stiff penalties for those people who rustle cow. Because for the indigenous people who are here, what they complain is that their cattle are rustled, which is not a good thing. So it's the same thing as destroying somebody's farm. So our law had envisaged all this, and we have taken care of this, and we have been dealing with people accordingly. It will amaze you to know that in my local government, in Goma local government, I come from Zoruf with boundary away and Kiana and Doma and all that. Some of my kinsmen went to Nasarawa and rustled 15 sheep. They came and slaughtered 4 and 8. And the other one, no. But I have to deal with them, I have to teach them a lesson. And when I learned of it, nobody reported to me. No Fulani man reported to me, but I was told by my other kinsmen that this is what these people did. And I say, look, I will not spare these people. As I talk to you, those people are in prison. We must prosecute them. There are other incidences of cattle and all that, other incidences of livestock from way west. The livestock guards who went, instead of doing their work, they rustle cattle, we sent them to prison. We arrested them. So for us, I believe in the rule of law. And the challenge we've been having here is obeying the law. Currently, as I talk to you, most of these people, wherever they stay, they come and attack us. They don't even come with cattle. They come to kill. They come to destroy. They come to steal and all that. So these are the challenges we are facing. But I must commend and appreciate the governor of Nasarawa State. In several forums where we met, he told everyone residing in Nasarawa that there is no law prohibiting open grazing, so they can graze within Nasarawa State. But in Benue State, they should be careful because there's a law. The truth is that if we decide to obey the law, everybody will be at peace. It's just that some people have chosen that they will not obey the law. That is all. So, at your level, as a lawyer, at your own level, you know, it's very difficult to find a PhD in law who is a chief. So you're in a vintage position to advise and to counsel and to admonish most of these people who do not understand what law is. If there is no law in place, everybody will be lawless, and there will be anarchy. And then we don't know where we'll be. I won't be sitting here as governor.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.